Luoyang BOTA was established in 2011, located in China's ancient capital, the city of Peonies, covering an area of 50,000 square meters with a current plant area of 20,000 square meters. Luoyang BOTA is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the production of intelligent automated welding and cutting equipment, integrating R&D manufacturing and sales. The company has its own R&D center, bridge division, robot division, special vehicle division, wind power division, and several other specialized technical departments. In addition to independently developing new products, Luoyang BOTA has also formed strategic partnerships with multiple research institutions to receive the integration of production, education, and research. By incorporating innovative technologies into every process, the company ensures the intelligence and humanization of its products through professional intelligent design, strict quality management, and continuous technological innovation. The company's current series of products include Welding Column Booms, Welding Rotators, Welding Positioners, longitudinal and circumferential seam welders, surfacing welders, CNC flame or plasma cutting machines, laser cutting machines, welding robot peripheral workstations, and production lines for wind power, special vehicles, electricity and communication poles, steering profiles and bridges. Customization based on user production processes is also available. Luoyang BOTA's products are distributed nationwide and exported to more than 50 countries in Europe, America, Middle East, Africa, and Asia. Luoyang BOTA promises that every piece of equipment leaving the factory undergoes strict quality control, and every service reflects BOTA's meticulous attention to detail. Luoyang BOTA looks forward to working with you to strive for progress and create a brilliant future together.